wrapping up this video segment on mediation and why you should make the investment when you're asked to, why you should make the investment into mediation. If you have additional questions about this, this is a 30,000 foot view, right? This is a bird's eye view. You know, it's not going to get down into all the little questions that you might have. If you have other questions, chat at ashmorelawfirm.com. Just like it sounds, chat, C-H-A-T, at ashmorelawfirm.com, or hit us up via text, Ashmore X2, 47177. So here's the deal about mediation. Clients ask, when a court orders, why do I need to make this investment? I don't want to pay a third lawyer. This is a total waste of time. We're not going to agree on anything. There's all kinds of reasons. And sometimes they're right. Sometimes you're going in there to check the box because you have to go to mediation to get to trial. So sometimes going just for the purpose of checking the box to be allowed by the trial court to get to present your case on final trial on the merits to the trial, to the jury. Sometimes that works. Sometimes that really, really works. But sometimes it doesn't. But I would say that 98% of the time, maybe even higher than that, it might be 99% of the time, mediation is a very effective way to let everybody explain their position to somebody who is not their lawyer, right? And then that lawyer tries to hammer out a compromise. Sometimes by being, stubborn, bullheaded, hard-nosed, tough-nosed, compromising, kind, nice. They have a whole host of things in their toolbox that they will pull out to get the parties to start seeing things eye to eye. Because the mediators know that if the clients buy into the compromise, if it is in fact their deal, it has a greater chance of working than going down to the courthouse and getting a deal maybe you can't live with, right? The courthouse is not fair. Fair comes once a year, and that's in Dallas. This year it was virtual. So fair is not at the courthouse, right? Reasonable is at the courthouse. Follows the law is what you get at the courthouse. And sometimes the court will hammer out some rulings that are fair and reasonable and follow the law, but you cannot abide. You can't stand them. They are so, in your mind, unfair to you. But remember, it doesn't have anything to do with fair, right? You go down to the courtroom, you're locked into, it's literally like the octagon, the old Kung Fu movie, the octagon, right? You're locked into the rules of procedure, maybe whatever code, if it's a civil case, the Texas Civil Practice and Remedies Code. If it's a probate case, the Texas Trust and Estate Code. If it's a family case, the Texas Family Code, the Texas Rules of Evidence. These are rules set by the people we vote for in Austin. It doesn't have anything to do with what the judge may want to do or think is fair, right? It's what the judge must do, right, to follow the law. That's why we elected these judges, right, to follow the law. So, again, mediation can be a substantial investment, but it can be a great investment because you'll buy into it. Everybody gives up some rights to get a deal they can live with. Anyway, I hope this has been helpful. If you have additional questions, text Ashmore X2 to 47177, Ashmore X2 to 47177, or chat at ashmorelawfirm.com.